I am thrilled to bits to try out this unique recipe. And guess what? It contains Bisquick. So you know I'm excited. It's called Pizza Pancakes. Let me show you how to make it. Grab a bowl. 2 cups of Bisquick. 1 cup of milk. 2 eggs. Half a cup of shredded mozzarella. You need a half a cup of chopped pepperoni in there. Also 2 small chopped tomatoes and a chopped green bell pepper. And 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Mix that all together. And we have ourselves a very thick batter, itching to get on that griddle. Let's flip that. Well, look at that. Now you pour on a little spaghetti sauce and some Parmesan cheese, and it's ready to enjoy. Pizza pancake. Never in a million years would I have thought of this existing, and I'm so happy to try it. And it's really tasty too. I think this would be really fun to do with a family. Everybody putting their pizza pancake together. It is a really exciting idea, and it's one you need to try in your home. This morning, I saw an envelope on my doorstep that said, "Do not bend." I spent ages standing there trying to figure out how to pick it up.